Hola, and welcome to Kim at Home. In today's video, we're going to start out at the home improvement show. If you've been here for a while, you know that I love to do DIYs and change things around, so this was right up my alley. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, K-Y-M, and I'm just going to show you all kinds of things that I saw at the home improvement show today, as well as doing some cleaning. In my videos, I like to show you real life things that I'm going through, how to keep up with my home, getting a quick meal made for my family, that sort of thing. But my videos are not just limited to cooking and cleaning. I also do a lot of DIYs, painting, changing things around, and also I have some tutorials for cars on my channel. Before you leave out, consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. We are called the Keep Up Crew. I really enjoyed the home improvement show, but now it's time to play with some paint. I will be painting a table today just because it doesn't match where I need it to go. Plus I like to paint. I'll probably put this down as a base and then put this on top of it. So this little table is for my printer in my bedroom, but it doesn't match my bedroom. As you can see, it needs to be black, so that's what I'm going to be doing, is painting this black. Prior to starting any kind of project where you're painting, you definitely want to clean your space off or the item off that you're actually going to paint. And I'm cleaning this off with Awesome. Both coats. Like I said, this is just for my printer, so it's not like a big deal as far as like what it looks like. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's not perfect, and that's completely fine. While that dries, I'm gonna head up to the laundry room. Yes, I'm going to the laundry room. If you know me, you know I do not wash clothes unless I absolutely necessarily have to. But the washer, I noticed, had like a film around it. And when I did a little bit of research, it was talking about how anytime you use like a fabric softener or something like that, it can leave a film and actually ruin your washing machine. So I wanna get that cleaned off. Check out how gross this is. Good old Vinegar did the job of getting this cleaned off. Off camera, I actually sprayed it again, and I'm going to allow it to sit and just clean off the rest of the washing machine as well as the dryer.
For a better thing, wanna replace me.
How often do you wipe off your washer and dryer? Just asking because I try not to go in the laundry room, so it doesn't get wiped as often as it needs to. However, it turned out really good. All of the crud from the inside is gone, and like I said, all I needed to use was some vinegar. So the next stop is the bedroom. I have a bunch of clothes to fold and vacuum and put those things over there back where they belong in their home. And I got a pillow to match my wall. Let me know if you like it. And then there's the wall. What have you guys been doing for self-care? Leave a comment down below. I do have some ideas because I had some people asking me, okay, Kim, what do you do for self-care? Well, every person's different, but here are some ideas. First of all, you want to create some time for yourself to unwind, whether it be going to a location that means something to you or you feel inspired at, or you could actually just take a walk in the park. You can embrace the nature and your surroundings. Make sure you pay attention to like how you feel. Then take 3 slow breaths, like deep breaths, okay? In for 4, out for 6. That is a great way to unwind and relax. And don't forget to get a good night's sleep. Before wiping anything else down in my room, I want to clean the ceiling fan off. This duster I picked up from Dollar Tree and it works really, really well. It actually prevents all of that dust and dirt from falling. But the reason you want to start up at the top first is because dirt falls down. So anything that it falls on has to get wiped anyway, right? You don't want to do any double work. Work smart and not hard.
I got doubts, yeah. Thinking that nobody can keep me safe. Who's gonna...
So that right there is the stand that you saw me paint at the beginning of the video. And my ink is low. Well, it's completely out for the black and white, so I have to replace that. That's why it's there, so that I will remember. So the cord down there is because I did not hook it back up. So yeah, really, really simple to clean off. What up, Owen Tiffany? I cannot tell you how many times I've forgotten to clean this shelf off. Like every time I dust, I forget about it and I have no idea why.
Your final words on a piece of paper.
I'm going to use spray white glass cleaner to clean off the TV, but like I had said in another video, I think I'm going to stop buying the aerosol cans of window cleaner because they just leave all kinds of streaks and I'm not really about that streak life, you know what I'm saying? And just to be clear, I have probably about 4 spray cans left, so I'm going to use those before I go out and buy anything. Or I could just use vinegar. Wowzers, that's bad. Okay, so the room is clean. Vacuum lines look really, really, really amazing. It's kind of messed up over here. I'll have to take care of that later. Extra pillows go in that basket. My drawer is not shut. I'll have to close it. Okay, the bed is not made up, which is fine. I mean, it's kind of like made up, but not really. Just because I have to, these are not my clothes, those are my husband's. And he's not actually here at the moment, so when he gets home, he will put those away. This hand towel, it's old, I found it in my closet, but I did cut it up so that I could use it as a rag, like a wash rag, washcloth, whatever. So in my bathroom today, the only thing that I need to do is wipe off my countertops, sweep and mop the floor, as well as handle that door. Anytime you have old towels, definitely cut those up and save them. You can use them to wipe things off. You can use them to wash your car. There's just so many uses, so you don't want to throw those away. If you're wondering why I'm not cleaning the entire bathroom, it's because I keep up with my home by doing things in sections. Here's an example. Yesterday I cleaned out the bathtub. Today I will wipe off the countertops and mop the floor. Tomorrow I will clean out the shower and do whatever else I need to do in the bathroom, like if the mirrors need done or what have you. As far as the toilet gets cleaned every day, several times a day, because Kim has issues with germs and all that great stuff. We're not going to go into that. I don't always put the toilet clean on camera because some people are very sensitive to toilets, even though bathrooms have toilets. And I have 3 bathrooms, so that's 3 toilets, okay? My broom and mop are downstairs, so I just went ahead and vacuumed the bathroom and I sprayed vinegar all over the floor and now I'm wiping it up. Nice and clean. So I laid the rugs down, I cleaned off the door. I just used the other part of the towel that I found. I cut it up and used the rest of it. So yesterday I cleaned out my bathtub. That's still in there, not sure why, but eventually I'll take it out. So today I cleaned off my countertops and then tomorrow I will clean out my shower. This is exactly how I keep up with my home. So here's my vacuum. That is what I took from my TV stand. And I threw something down here, hold on. Yeah, I threw that down there because I knew I'd have a whole bunch of stuff to take downstairs. I am still extremely slow on those stairs because they're just very, very steep and my legs still aren't as strong as they used to be. That's the reason why I threw the stuff down. That way I didn't have to carry so many things and potentially fall. I'm exercising my right to work smart. Your girl has gone crazy or your girl has gone crazy. I forgot to start the dishwasher. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get my stove cleaned off and then I'll run the dishwasher. So in my mind, prior to going to the home improvement show, I started the dishwasher. Clearly, I didn't. Look how dirty my stove is. So I need to get that cleaned off really, really quickly. I just want to thank you guys so much for taking your time out of your day to watch my videos. I truly, truly appreciate you. In case you haven't been told today, you are worthy, you are needed, and you are loved. Let me know in the comments below if you saw my last video in regards to mental health awareness. That's a very, very important topic to me because, as some of you know, I have anxiety. It's really not easy to live with anxiety because you're constantly in your head, you're constantly second guessing yourself. It's just really, really annoying. And then you have insomnia because your mind will not stop. I will say the affirmations are so helpful. I say them every day. Sometimes I say them 55 times a day. It just depends on how things are going for me. But I'm not alone, and neither are you. These are dry for the most part. They look okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get them put back. She is shining bright like a diamond. Looking good. Looking real good. Are you following me on Instagram? If not, you really should. I just had a giveaway of super clean cleaning products and they are great. Okay, so let me show you something on my couch. Can you see the pink stuff? I have no idea what that is. Nobody wants to admit to it. So I have to clean it off. And I'm not just gonna clean that spot, I'm gonna clean the whole couch because that would be kind of like not smart, right? Okay, so think about that for a second. I'm not just gonna clean off that one spot if I have an entire couch that probably should be cleaned anyway. It's very dirty and I probably cleaned it about a month and a half ago. By the way, I will be hosting another super clean giveaway next month. Whoa, look at that water. I told you the couch was dirty. I literally did a gypsy couch clean probably a month ago. I tried, no more pink over here. Yeah, so I'm happy. The couch is happy. There's nothing like a good old gypsy couch clean, and it smells so good in here. This thing stays dirty because I always forget to clean it out and I'm not really sure why. I'm gonna use a little bit of Dawn Power Wash and some vinegar to wipe this off. She looks so much better. She's nice and clean now. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away. These are just where I keep my cleaning cloths for downstairs, all of my cleaning cloths for the dishes, all that great stuff. Let me show you what I just discovered. The pink stuff that was on my couch is here too. I'm wiping it down with vinegar. All of the cleaning products are listed below in the description box. It's not coming off, so at least it came off the couch. I'm not too much worried about these blinds. Let me tell you about my first world problems that I just had. I'm like vacuuming, minding my own business, trying to get this cleaning video together, and the phone dies. Anyway, so now I'll show you what my living room looks like. First, let's talk about these vacuum lines because they look really, really good. My couch looks good. It smells really good in here. Everything looks good. Nice and clean. Close your eyes. Get out of your skin. I had a few things that I needed to take upstairs. Plus, it's my bedtime and I'm really tired and I want to get ready for bed. so Bree cleaned her closet out today while I was cleaning downstairs, and Karia is now vacuuming Bree's floor. You got a new wallet?
Yeah.
Let me see.
So this is just some random things.
Random things.
Yeah. This is so old. I got a whole new one in here. And then when you open it, so I have money.
Girl, you got more money than
I
me.
got money in there. And I have my library card and my McDonald's card.
A Switch-A-Roo is going down. So here is what it looks like when everything is connected. That chair was upstairs in my room, and all of my clean laundry would go there and sit there for a week. So now I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with my clean laundry. Thank you again for watching. Bye guys.